What most of us don't realise, or perhaps what we choose to ignore, is that writing is a process which requires planning and thought. A lot of us just expect writing to happen. We put a lot of thought into our actual academic subject, but we don't put the same intellectual effort into how we express this knowledge through the written word. Writing, and especially academic writing, is something which needs to have effort put into it. Ultimately, it's the principal method we have of demonstrating our knowledge and expertise. If you can't express that knowledge and expertise through your writing, then it may make it more difficult for lecturers or future employers to see that you have those skills within you. So, here are a few writing tips which will help you to develop your writing process. Academic writing must be considerate. This means thinking about your reader as you're writing. Are you writing for their own subject knowledge? Are you taking into account what they know already and building on that? Are you explaining it in a fashion which they can understand?
Secondly, academic writing should be critical. We don't want just a summary of what other people have said. Connect the dots, use opinion and fact, and create your own argument that can't be read anywhere else. Thirdly, you need to be clear. So don't overcomplicate your essay. Don't try and sound intellectual or academic by including overly long, complicated sentences that flow on for paragraphs and paragraphs.
Academic writing should be concise. This means not using more words than you really need to, and certainly not going off on long tangents that distract the reader away from your argument. Look back through your work to see if there are any sections which could be cut out because they don't add anything to your argument. Academic writing should be coherent. This means that all your different points should fit together well and add to an overall argument. Look back through your text and make sure that all your evidence is feeding into an overall point or argument that you're trying to make.
And finally, correct. Perhaps most importantly, academic writing needs to be correct. What that means is that don't go making up information. Double check your facts, double check statistics, double check referencing. It's really easy to lose marks with referencing. Also, set aside some time to proofread. A lot of students leave this out. A lot of academics leave this out. Give yourself a day, maybe two, where you put the essay to the side and then you come back to it after that time, and you can read it through with a fresh mind, proofread it, read it aloud, and you'll find all the errors that you otherwise wouldn't have found. That's how you create a good, coherent, clear, and concise essay.